welcome back to my channel. It's Kinky Cheese here. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you're my subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I've missed you guys so much, and yeah, I've been waiting to use this thing finally, and I've gotten my hands on it because I've been seeing everybody and everybody has been doing it, you know. I want to do. So finally I've gotten it. My silver hair, guys, check it out. I look so good. I know I will rock my 60s. If I don't gray on time, I would dye my hair gray. Like, that's how I'm in love with gray hair. So I went with this one. I got my hair paint from hair paint wax. Is it zooming in, or I don't know? Hair paint wax, hair paint wax. Anyway, yeah, and I got the silver and blue, but I decided to go with the silver because it's my true, like, I've been thinking about silver hair for a long time, so I went with the silver. It's easy to use. It's not like I don't have anything to say, or like not much explaining. It's just put it on damp hair and go about your day. I guess it's nothing, there's no explanation. Anyway, I really like this. I'm going to be ordering more and trying more colors. The next color that I will try will be the blue one. But yeah, I really like it. I'm not going to wear it for like 2 years or a month, but I'm going to see if I can rock this one on my hair for a week. Yes, people, a week of silver hair. I feel so good. Like, hey, I'm feeling really good. Like, I'm loving the way it looks. It's a bit dry, but it's just a short-term dryness. It's not like bleach that you have like long-term dry, damaged hair. I know, I've been there, so I can deal with the short-term dry hair and add oils if it's too dry, or add water and add oils, I don't know. So yeah, if you guys want to see this new video that I have been waiting for, you know, for a long time to do, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm going to actually use the gray hair paint wax instead of I bought two, the blue and gray, but I just want to know how I will look when nope, I just wanted to try out the gray because I love gray and I'm getting gray anyway. Now let me see what it looks like inside. So it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see, it looks like this inside. It's very weird. It's like I expected it to be like more of a mousse kind of stuff, but it's not. It's just, I don't know. But the good thing is that it's not sticky. So we're going to find out what or how my hair is going to look gray. My hair has already been, it's not freshly washed or anything, it's been stretched out with braid out, so I'm just going to take the back, spritz water and see how it goes. So I'm just detangling my hair Get this and apply to my hair. Oh, am I doing it the right way? Okay, anyway. Smells like men's deodorant something. Doesn't smell like. Okay. It's going great. Hi guys, so I'm back and it's been like 5 hours since I did this and it looks so weird though. It looks really weird, but let's just see how it looks. I'm not sure it's dry yet, but I'll be going out soon, so yeah, since I'll be going out soon, so I have to kind of unravel, but I'm going to start from the back. It's kind of like hard, like it's really hard. So I'm going to start from the back. Let's see. It's really hard. It's still somewhat dampish. I'm going to sit down under my dryer again for at least 45 minutes. I'm just going to leave it like this and sit down under my dryer. So you guys, I'm done. Loosening the hair. What do you guys think? What do you guys? So let me get down to the pros and the cons. Pro, it doesn't damage your hair. Pro, you can put it on easily. Pro, you can take it off easily. Con, it's sticky and it's drying and it's flaky. I wasn't expecting something great because it's just $6 or $7. yeah, so I wasn't expecting something magnificent. It's just something you use when you just want to change your hair color for a week or a day or something, or for a costume party. It's not something you have that you can live on for a month or 2 months. So yeah, it's cheap, it's easy to apply, easy to take off by just using the shampoo. It's not really sticking on the skin, but it's like really clumpy. I think I need to go under the dryer and see if it will change, if it will change. But I'm liking the way it looks. Like, I wanted to see myself with gray hair, even if this is silver. I think gray and silver, I don't know, I don't know say anything, but I wanted to see myself with gray hair, and I'm actually liking this silver. Like, hey guys, so I'm back. I sat on that dryer for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it was dry. I decided to go with the side part and, you know, style my hair. My hair looks, it's like, it still has like a definition, even if I unraveled it while it was damp, and it still looks good. So this, I don't know if it's a problem or it's just the clumping. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, I find myself separating a lot. Anyway, this is the final look. This is what I've been waiting for, and it is here finally, and I'm loving it. Like, I'm actually loving this look. I don't know, I feel this is like out of my comfort zone, and I feel good. Normally I will go for gold or red, but this silver is it's good. Anyway guys, tell me what you think about this hair paint, and yeah, comment down below if you would like to try it. I recommend it if you're trying to do something for short term. You can just put it on and wash it out, wash it out. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoy my video, and if you want me to do new videos or you want more videos, please comment down below. I'm so tired. Comment down below. Thank you.